Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Pinterest boards on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your profile page, hover over the board that you want to delete. Then click the pen icon in the bottom right of the board. Scroll down the options and click on Delete Board. Then click Delete Forever on the pop-up that appears. Alternatively, from inside the board that you want to delete, you can click on the three dots button at the top of the board to the right of its name. Click Edit Board from the options. Then click Delete from the bottom of the editing options. Then click Delete Forever on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.